Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sorbet with frozen strawberries. Start by measuring 2 cups of frozen berries and 1/2 cup sugar, then let the fruit sit to thaw slightly. Transfer berries to a blender with 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 tablespoons simple syrup. Blend until smooth, then churn briefly or freeze and scrape for a fluffy texture ready to serve. Garnish with mint and enjoy immediately. Use ripe frozen strawberries for best flavor, and avoid oversweetening since freezing dulls sweetness. To enhance texture, add 1 tablespoon vodka or 2 teaspoons corn syrup to prevent hard freezing and keep scoopable consistency. For creamier sorbet, blend in 2 tablespoons yogurt or coconut cream, then chill briefly before final stirring. Taste and adjust sugar or lemon, then freeze until firm, but shoveled easily for serving with berries or cookie crumbs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your kitchen, making multitasking while you blend so much easier. It's compact, has clear sound, and connects to timers and voice controls that help when recipes need precise timing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy this, hit subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshoot icy sorbet by pulsing it in a food processor or letting it soften at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. Store sorbet in an airtight container with a piece of parchment, press to the surface to reduce ice crystals, and freeze up to 2 weeks for best texture. When serving, let scoop sit at room temperature for a few minutes, then garnish with grated zest or toasted nuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.